You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, tachometer, security alarm. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.